In the next couple of videos, I'll be showing you guys how to create families in Revit. It's a very powerful tool for you guys to understand how to use. Now, as for demonstration purposes, I'll be going through a column formwork family, in particular the plywood. I'll show you how to create a family for that in Revit. So to start off with, go to File, click on New, and then choose Family. Now the first thing that you will notice is the fact that family files are saved as .rft files, whereas your normal Revit projects are saved as RVT. So given that we will be creating a plywood family, we'll be interested in the metric generic model face-based. So choose one of so as I said, given that it's a plywood family and plywoods are applied on the outer face of an element, we're interested in face-based elements. But as you can see, there's a whole list of different templates for families depending on the family, the family that you're trying to create and what the purpose of the family is. So for our formwork, let's just click on face-based, click on open. And just wait for it to load. Alright, so the first thing to note is on your left side. On your left side, you can see that there's your project browser, and again, unlike in our normal project where we had the floor plans consisting of ground floor level, first floor, you still have your floor plans, but there's a reference level. So this is the level that we'd be mostly working in. You got your ceiling plans as well. This is the 3D view, and you've got your elevations as well. So let me quickly show you what the elevations are. So this is looking at it from the back. This is like a horizontal element. This is your reference level, so you can consider that as maybe your ground level. And if you look at it from the left side as well, so but as I said, we'll be mostly working for the next couple of videos, we'll be mostly working in the reference level floor plan. Alright, so to start off with, in families, your first step is to create what we refer to as reference planes, and these reference planes would act as reference for your model. So I'll show you what I mean by that. If you go under create, click on reference plane, and let's create 2 reference planes. So 1, 2 on either side. These are going to be our plywood width, and let's create another 2 reference planes in the opposite direction, and these are going to be the plywood length. Okay, so once we've got these done, let's dimension them. So your first dimension and your second dimension, and you do the same for the other planes as well. So the first dimension and your second dimension. So the reason that we've got these dimensions is, as I said, these planes are gonna act as references for the formwork element that we want to create. Now, and I'll show you in a later video how to use these dimensions in order to play around with the width and length of your formwork sheet. So, and the next step is to make both of these distances equal. Now, if you notice, once I click on this dimension, you'll notice an EQ appear. So click on that. And what that's going to do is it's going to make these two lengths equal. We want to do it for this one as well. So click on that. So the idea is that the reason why I made these two equal is because, say, if I move this reference, notice how both of them move together. So this is what I'm trying to achieve, and you can do that by making, these two distances equal.